Copyright.
Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Washington, northwestern Pennsylvania, southeast and southwestern Pennsylvania, Marshall County, and northern West Virginia until 4:45 p.m. As for 11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cameron, or 12 miles southeast of Moundsville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Waynesburg, Cameron, Rogersville, Aleppo, Nineveh, New Freeport, Rockledge, Lincamp, Glen Easton, Beeler Station, and Lone Oak. For your protection, move to an insulated room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southwestern Pennsylvania and northern West Virginia. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.